Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to print photos or files or documents from your iPad to your printer. Now the most important thing is that you have your printer turned on and it's connected to the internet, and do the same thing on your iPad here. So you can see I have the internet option right here. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, and you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So if you have multiple different connections on your iPad, make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi right here. So Wi-Fi is turned on to my printer and my iPad, and then we just need to go over to the photo or whatever file we want to go ahead and transfer. So once you have the photo or something turned up here, go to Share in the top left, tap that and scroll down and go to Print. Now we can just go to Printer on the top. No printer is selected by default, that's probably why nothing's happening. But just look for a printer, and it should find it on your network. So sometimes it doesn't find it right away, other times it will. So just make sure your printer is turned on, and once you have your printer selected, you can just go on down to Print. So it should make it really easy. There should be an option to print right here on the top. So it's looking for printers, and just make sure everything is turned on, and you should be able to print just like that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.